Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have gorgeous sari. It's the pure Georgette Zari check Jaipuri hand Bandej sari. Price is just rupees 1799. Let's see what this sari has to offer. Wow, just to look a stunning sheer sari. The intricate check pattern combines with the rich jari work is absolutely breathtaking. The vibrant color of this sari Jaipuri hand Bandej are sure to make a statement. The pure Georgette fabric feels incredible, soft and luxurious against the skin. It's lightweight, making it comfortable to wear for all long durations. The zari work add a touch of opulence and elevating this sari to a whole new levels. This area incredibly versatile. You can wrap it in traditional way to experiment with different style to create a unique and personalized look. Whether it's a festive occasion or a special event, this saree will make you stand out from the crowd. Don't just take our word for it. Our customers love this saree too. They have praised its quality, the attentions to detail, and how it enhanced their beauty. Many have commented on its reasonable price for such a high quality price and pieces. The pure Georgette check zari Jaipuri hand Bandej saree is true masterpiece. Its stunning design, quality, craftsmanship, and affordable price make it a must-have for any sari lovers. And guys, if you want to purchase this sari, the link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you.